Hello, so today's our portion is trigonometry and these are JEE questions of previous year. So let's see what are the questions. So this one is the first question. Question is given that cos A upon 3 is equal to cos B upon 4 equal to 1 by 5 and this A value is greater than minus pi by 2 and less than 0 and this B angle is greater than minus pi by 2 and less than 0. So this equation is given, then value of 2 sin A plus 4 sin B. We have to find out this value. Okay. So start from given equation. So given equation is that cos A dividing by 3 is equal to cos B dividing by 4 is equal to 1.5. Okay. So equate this first value with this last one ratio, means if we write the cos A value, then what is the cos A value? Cos A value is 3 by 5 and then using this cos A value find out the sin A value. Okay. So what is sin A value? Sin A value means it is 1 square root of 1 minus cos square A. Using this basic identity, that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Okay. So we have this cos A value. So just put this value. So cos square A means this square of this is, it is 9 by 25. Complete calculation. So you will get the final value 25 minus 9 is 16 and 16 square root is 4. Dividing by 25 square root is 5. So this is the value of sin A. So this value is cos A and this value is a sin A. Okay. Similarly, you have to find out the value of sin B from the first equation. So equate this second value with the last value. Okay. So cos B value is equal to 4 by 5 and again find out the sin B value. So sin B value means it is 1 minus 4 square dividing by 5 square. So 25 minus 4 square 16, 25 minus 16 is 9 and 9 square root is 3. So finally you will get the value 3 by 5. Okay. So this is the corresponding value of sin B. Now there is a condition that in which quadrant this angle A and angle B are present, on that sign of the trigonometric functions are depend. Okay. So this angle A is present in minus pi by 2 and 0. So this is 0 angle and minus pi by 2. This angle is given negative. So negative means it is in the clockwise direction. Okay. So this direction is clockwise direction. So this angle is minus pi by 2 and this A is present in this quadrant. So this quadrant is fourth quadrant and similarly this B is also present in the fourth quadrant, 0 to minus pi by 2. So 0 to minus pi by 2 means fourth quadrant. Okay. So both angle A and B are present in the fourth quadrant. So in the fourth quadrant this x coordinate means it is the cos theta and this y coordinate means it is the sin theta. Means in the fourth quadrant the sin ratios are negative and cos ratios are positive. So we have to give the negative sign to both sin A and sin B also. So sin A is equal to minus 4 by 5 and sin B is equal to minus 3 by 5. And then put both values in this equation. So you will get that 2 sin A value is minus 4 by 5 plus 4 sin B. Sin B value is minus 3 by 5 and just simplify. So minus 8 by 5 and this is minus 12 by 5. Both number are the same denominator 5 and this is minus 20. So final answer you will get minus 4. So correct option is this, C option, minus 4. So see next question. Second question is if A lies in second quadrant and 3 tan A plus 4 is equal to 0, then find out the value of this equation. So to find out the value of this equation, we have to first calculate the value of cot A, then cos A and then sin A. So we can calculate all this value using this given given equation. Okay, so start from given equation. So given equation is 3 tan A plus 4 is equal to 0. So we can calculate the value of tan A. So calculate value of tan A. Tan A value is minus 4 by 3. Okay. Then we need a cot A value. So what is cot A value? Cot A value is exactly inverse of this. Cot A value is minus 3 by 4. And then again we need a cos and sine. Okay. So just make a right angle triangle. And this is suppose our A angle. Okay. So from this tan is what? Tan is opposite upon adjacent. So opposite length should be the 1 and adjacent length should be the 3. And then using the Pythagoras calculate this hypotenuse. So for this number 4 and 3 you will get the hypotenuse 5. Okay. And then just write the cos A value and sin A value, or directly you can write this equation and just put the values from this triangle. Okay. So write equation that 2 cot A minus 5 cos A plus 3 sin A equal to. So cot A value is minus 3 by 4. So give sign here minus 3 by 4, 5. Cos A value. Cos means it is adjacent upon hypotenuse. So this value will 3 by 5 plus sin A. And sin A value is opposite upon hypotenuse. So 4 by 5. But just think about the sign that A lies in the second quadrant. So if A lies in the second quadrant, this angle A is present in the second quadrant, and in the second quadrant this cos is negative and sine is positive. Okay. So cos is negative means this cos is negative. So we have to give the minus sign here, and sine is positive. So this value is correct. Now complete the calculation. So this 2 and 4 get cancelled. So it is minus 3 by 2. This minus will get plus, and 5 cancel. 3 plus 4 by 5. So minus 3 by 2 as it is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. Again cross multiplication. Minus 15 plus 38 and 10. So subtract 38 minus 15. So it is 3, 23. And here bigger number is positive. So we have to go with the positive sign. 23 by 10. So see in the option. So this is given as a D option, that 23 by 10. Okay. So next question is a third question, and the third question is if alpha is greater than 3 pi by 4 and less than pi, then find out the value of cosec square alpha plus 2 cot alpha, and there are 4 options given. Okay. So first we see where our alpha is present exactly. So from this condition that alpha is greater than 3 pi by 4, so if you calculate the value 3 pi by 4, so what is the numerical value of 3 pi by 4? Pi means it is 180 divided by 4. So after cancelling it, you will get 45 here, and this total value is 135. Okay. So this 3 pi by 4 means it is 135, and this pi means 180. Means our alpha is present in the second quadrant. So if I draw the graph for alpha, so this is suppose 135. Okay. And this is pi. So alpha is greater than 3 pi by 4, means alpha is greater than 135 and less than pi. So this is our exact position of alpha, and then just simplify this given equation. So what is given equation? That given equation is the square root of 1 plus cosec square alpha plus 2 cot alpha. Okay. So I can write this cosec square in terms of the cot square. So what is the value of cosec square in terms of cot square? Its value is 1 plus cot square alpha plus 2 cot alpha. So this whole expression is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here b value is 1, okay, or b value is called. So this whole expression is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So I can write this expression or equation in the form of a plus b whole square. So I am just writing this equation in the form of a plus b whole square. So this value of this equation will 1 plus cot alpha and it's a whole square. Okay. Now square and root get cancelled. So answer of this is 1 plus cot alpha, but just give the mod. Why we need the mod? Because there is a condition for the alpha value. So first we have to find out the cot value for the second quadrant. Okay. So now just see, if I am calculating the value of cot 135. So what is the value of cot 135? So cot 135. So I don't have directly this value in the table. So I have to go with the allied angle formula. And what is the allied angle formula? This cot 135 value is equal to cot of 180 minus 135. Okay. So cot of 180 minus 135, this subtraction you will get the 45, and cot 45 value is what? It is the 1. But this cot is present in the second quadrant, and for this 45 cot is present in the first quadrant. So in the first quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive, and in the second quadrant this cot is negative. Okay. So this cot 135 and cot 45 both have the same value, but for this 135 angle, this value is negative. Negative of cot 45. Okay. So we have to go with the minus sign here. So cot 135 is equal to minus of cot 45. And what is cot 45 value? Cot 45 value is 1. And what is meant by this? 135. 135 means this angle 3 pi by 4. Means this cot 3 pi by 4, this value is equal to minus 1. And I am calculating here one more value. Suppose after 135 there is another angle. Suppose it is 150. So also calculate the value of cot 150. So what is value of cot 150? So again my allied angle formula, that cot 150 is equal to, it is cot of 180 minus 150. So this subtraction you will get 180 minus 150 means it is a 30. Okay. But cot 30 is present in the first quadrant and 150 is present in the second quadrant. So this cot 30 have the positive value and cot 150 have the negative value. So cot 150 is equal to cot 130 but minus cot 30. Okay. So what is the value of cot 30? Cot 30 value is root 3. So cot 150 value is minus root 3. Okay. And root 3 means it is value 1 point something, whatever it is. Okay. So as we move from 3 pi by 4 or 135 toward the pi, so this cot value get decrease and decrease. Okay. So here is one conclusion, that cot alpha value is less than minus 1. It starts from the minus 1 and then it get decreasing toward the pi. Okay. So cot alpha value is less than minus 1. So therefore, if I shift this minus 1 toward the LHS, then it will get 1 plus cot alpha less than 0. Okay. So less than 0 means value of this expression is negative. So our value of this expression 1 plus cot alpha is minus of 1 plus cot alpha. Okay. So this we can write the minus 1 and minus cot alpha. So in this, correct option is minus 1 minus cot alpha, and we got this correct option from this condition, that cot alpha value is less than minus 1 for the second quadrant. Okay. So correct option is a C. So next question is that if theta belongs to pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2, means theta is present in between the pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2, then find the value of this expression. Okay. So this whole expression is given. So simplify this whole expression. So given expression is that square root 4 cos to the power 4 theta plus sine square 2 theta plus 4 cot theta into cos square pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Okay. So just simplify this. So in the next step, 4 cos to the power 4 theta as it is, and this second term is sine 2 theta. So I have the formula for the sine 2 theta. So what is formula for the sine 2 theta? Sine 2 theta means it is 2 sine theta into cos theta. But our value is not only sine 2 theta, it's a square. So we have to write this value inside of the square bracket. Okay. So square 2 sine theta into cos theta. Okay. And write this value as it is plus 4 cot theta. And there is one more term which is in the form of cos square. So we have one more formula, that cos square theta, and how it comes that cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sine square theta. Okay. So if I replace this sine square theta in the form of cos square theta, then I will get this expression 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay. So this is formula for this cos square theta. So what is the formula for cos square theta? That cos square theta is equal to cos 2 theta, or if I shift this minus 1 toward the LHS, then it will get 1 plus cos 2 theta and dividing by 2. So this is the formula for cos square theta which I am using here. Okay. So cos square theta means it is 1 plus cos 2 theta and our theta is pi by 4 minus theta by 2 and dividing by 2. Okay. So just complete calculation. So from this 4 cos to the power 4 theta, and after getting square it is also this 2 will get the 4 sine square and cos square theta. Means we can take the 4 cos square theta common. So take 4 cos square theta common. 4 cos square theta is common. So after taking 4 cos square theta common from this first term, here is only cos square theta remain. Okay. And from this bracket 2 square is 4 which we already took common here, and this cos square theta already took common here. So what is remaining? Remaining is that sine square theta. Okay. And plus 4 cot theta, and actually these two, this cot and cos square are in multiplied, so this 2 comes in the denominator, so we can cancel this 2 with the 4. Okay. So I am cancelling this 2 with the 4 here. So this 4 and 2 get cancelled, so this value get 2 cot theta. Okay. And bracket 1 plus cos of multiply by the 2. So after getting multiplied by 2, it will get this 2 and 4 get cancelled, pi by 2, and 2 and 2 get cancelled, so minus theta. Okay. So square root 4 cos square theta. This cos square theta plus sine square theta by basic identity, this value is 1. So in the root. So after this, using basic identity, that sine square theta plus cos square theta, this value is 1. And 4 cos square theta, we can take it out of the root. So write it out of the root. So root of this is 2 cos theta. And by using identity, this value is 1. Okay, but think about the theta, and theta is belongs to pi upon 2 to 3 pi upon 2. So just draw the pi upon 2 to 3 pi by 2. So this is pi by 2 and this is 3 pi by 2. So theta is belong to the second quadrant or third quadrant. ठीक है. So this cos theta for the second quadrant or for the third quadrant, this cos is negative. So we have to give the negative sign here. So give minus sign here. Okay. Plus 2 cot theta 1 plus cos of pi upon 2 minus theta. So by allied angle formula, cos of pi upon 2 minus theta means it have the value sin theta. And this pi upon 2 minus theta means it is present in the first quadrant. So we have to go with the plus sign. So this cos of pi upon 2 minus theta means it is sin theta. And then just simplify expression. So this minus 2 cos theta as it is, multiply by this 2 cot theta. So 2 cot theta into 1 is 2 cot theta plus 2 cot theta into sin theta. Okay. And then next minus 2 cos theta as it is, 2 cot theta as it is. We can little more simplify this cot theta into sin theta. So write the cot theta. Cot theta means cos theta divided by sin theta into sin theta. So this sin get cancelled, and again after getting sin theta cancelled, this get the 2 cos theta, and this is the minus 2 cos theta. So this minus 2 cos theta and plus 2 cos theta both term cancel, and finally you will get the 2 cot theta, which is a correct option, B option.